Hello and welcome to the new update from 24 Trains TV. Every week we keep you up to date through these videos with the newest, most exciting, and of course the most beautiful films you can find on 24 Trains TV. Want to watch everything in full right away? Of course you can, but you will need a subscription. For just $4.99 per month, you get unlimited access to the massive vault of train and tram videos on 24 Trains TV. This week, we have another brand new 24 Trains TV report, just like you're used to, completely packed with the latest railway news from both home and abroad. So with a 24 Trains TV subscription, you can not only enjoy beautiful historical videos, but also stay informed about current events. In the United Kingdom, you can still find a working steam locomotive somewhere almost every day. For train spotters, that means there's something to celebrate every day. But at the same time, it's a challenge to keep track of all the special rides and events. And that's why Sight and Sounds of Steam has put together a year in review featuring some of the highlights of 2024. Naturally, you'll not only get to see the sights, but also hear the sounds. That goes without saying. We also see our train of the week racing by the Bull-Eyed Pacific, both in its streamlined and non-streamlined versions, by the way. In the world of model trains, having sound is becoming increasingly popular. However, installing a sound decoder can be a bit tricky with certain models. Thanks to a tutorial from Trainmasters TV, you'll be guided step by step through the process of installing a decoder. A train journey through rural France is truly spectacular, but you have to cover quite a few kilometers, and often there's a long wait for the next train. That's why 24 Trains TV offers you a more comfortable way to travel through cab rides. That way, you don't even have to leave the house. That's it for now. But one thing's for sure, next week I'll be back with a whole bunch of new films. And did you know that in our app you can also watch videos non-stop all day long? We'd love to welcome you back as a subscriber.